Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be going over the Peterson Strobe Tuner application for a computer and how to interface that and how it works. It's a very good app and I recommend it. So stay tuned and I'll be with you in a minute. Alright, here we are. We're back at it again. What I've got up is I've got the Strobe Tuner. I don't have the deluxe version. I've just got the standard version, which works good for what I need to do for setup and intonation of my guitars and anybody else's that I work on. But the application looks like this when you launch it. One of the things that you need to double check is like your audio settings. Make sure you've got the right audio. I've got a USB interface, so I've got my guitar plugged into the line in, and then it's the generic audio codec that you have. So it's right in that area right there is what it's used for. So we'll go that. Oop, didn't want to do that. Turn that. And then you got a power button. You can turn it on and off. It'll start listening. And as I turn the volume up, you'll see it start scrolling just like a strobe tuner. You've got some noise filtering that you could have here. I could turn some noise filtering. It's measuring the background noise. Right now, don't do anything. You see us strum a string, it'll noise filter. That's if you're using like a microphone or something like that. It'll filter out the background noise. Also, you've got a plus 20 dB, so you could actually add plus 20 dB to your signal if you want to. I really don't need it for the audio interface. You got the strobe speed, fast, slow, sensitivity, low or high. Then you got the different ways you can measure notes. Since I keep it in cents, I'm used to the old style strobe tuner, the actual hardware itself. When I was learning how to set up guitars and stuff when I was in my late teens and working at the music store. But it's a good application. I really like it. So just kind of go through and show you how it does. So like you see my E string, and I always always tune in playing position, because gravity can do some crazy things. As you can see, it's me turning the guitar different ways. Gravity does affect. So it shows I'm about 7 cents shy. Tune it up. And you can even see that as I get done twisting, it'll go flat and sharp. And that's just that's how sensitive it is. It's the amount of force I'm putting on the neck. That's about as close as I'm going to get the E string. So let's move to the A string. A string is flat by a couple cents, 3 cents. Give it a nice little twist. It's about as close as I can get. That looks good. Oh wow. That's really flat. One of the things you want to be careful of too is you want to make sure that you mute the other strings as good as you can, because it will pick it up. B flat. This really, I think I had this guitar tuned a half step down. I might have. Don't know. One thing for tuning a guitar, it's always go back flat and work your way up to your note. That one's good. Oh yeah, I had that tuned half step down. And there we go. Oh, you can see, just a little bit of twist on the neck, does it? There we go. And go back to the top, just to make sure, puts the neck under a little bit more stress. There we go. Yeah, to be honest with you, some people will never hear those 1 or 2 cents off. But being a picky person like I am, there we go. That's how it works. So just kind of go over some other stuff here. Let me turn down the guitar. You've got what frequency, I guess, fundamental frequency you're going to be tuning to, and then some other stuff here I've really never messed with. You could change whatever, A440. Kind of got like a little metronome, and then whatever key, if you're going to go down, shift the up or down. But other than that, really enjoy it. I've used it. I do all my setups with it. This one here, I need to go through and re-intonate because I changed gauge of string. So you could see that let me get the mouse out of the way, E there. So when I go up to the 12th fret, you see it's a little sharp. So I need to go through and re-intonate this guitar. But I'll do that at a later time. I just play with this one at home and don't do anything else with it. Yeah, everything's really sharp on the intonation. But that's how it works. So feel free to comment. I'll try and answer the questions as best I can. Till next time, catch you later.